Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news, especially for those of you who are into AI video generation. You won't have to keep paying for different platforms anymore because we've found an all-in-one solution, Krea AI. It combines some of the top AI video generators out there, like Hailuo AI, Luma AI Dream Machine, Runway, kling-ai, and Pika AI. We've covered these tools in detail in our previous videos, and they've made creating AI videos so much easier. Now, you won't have to worry about hopping between different platforms and compromising on the quality of your creations. Let's dive into how Krea AI works and see how its results compare to standalone AI generators. Buckle up and let's get started. First, a quick intro to Krea AI. It's a real-time AI image and video generator, but unlike typical AI tools, it integrates several top AI video models into one platform. This is fantastic news for AI video creators. Although this new model is still in testing, it's something creators have been waiting for. Krea AI is also planning to add even more useful models in the future, paving the way for a more interconnected AI video tool ecosystem. Now, let's see how to use Krea AI. First, click the link in the description below, and you'll see 4 sections: Generate Images, Generate Videos, AI-Composed Images, and Image Quality Enhancement. Each section is packed with powerful features, but today, we'll focus on video generation. Click on Generate Videos, or find it under the Generate tab at the top. This will take you to a clean and simple interface with just a text input box and an image upload button. On the left, you can view your past creations, and at the bottom left, you can choose your base model. The default is Luma, but when you click on it, you'll see 5 different models. If you've worked with AI video tools before, you'll recognize them immediately. Here's a neat detail. When you switch models, the text prompt box will adjust slightly. Luma allows you to upload 2 images, one as the start frame and one as the end frame. Kling-ai adds a camera motion option to control the video's movement direction. Pika AI gives you an effect selector with 6 different options. Hailuo AI and Runway only allow 1 image upload, keeping their interfaces almost identical to their original versions. However, one limitation of Krea AI is that you currently can't set the video resolution. Hopefully, they'll add this feature soon. So, how do the videos turn out? Let's test it out with 4 different prompt types. Looking at the generated videos, each result closely matches the style of what we've created before, with only minor variations. This shows that Krea AI truly integrates multiple leading AI video models. Plus, all videos are watermark-free, saving creators time and letting you create up to 4 videos at once. The generation speed is identical to the original models. If, like us, you've ever wanted to compare multiple AI video generators side by side, You won't have to switch back and forth anymore. Now that we've compared the results, let's talk pricing. If you've used any of these AI video generators, you'll notice their subscription prices are quite similar, around $10 to $15 per month, generating 50 to 70 videos. However, each AI tool has its strengths and weaknesses, and switching between them is key to maximizing productivity. Krea AI's pricing is structured so that $10 gets you 98 videos, with higher subscription tiers offering even more, depending on which models you use. This pricing model is much more economical than subscribing to each service separately. With its high-quality models, Krea AI is an exciting tool for creators looking to streamline their workflow. Finally, Krea AI's founders have promised continuous improvements based on user feedback and industry trends. As more companies open their APIs and develop innovative features, Krea AI is poised to become a leader in AI video creation. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it an excellent choice for AI video creators seeking efficiency and versatility. If you know of any other cool AI tools, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the latest AI tech news. See you next time.